What's the meaning of Antony and Cleopatra? Antony and Cleopatra. Antony and Cleopatra. Antony and Cleopatra. Antony and Cleopatra. Antony and Cleopatra.
Antony and Cleopatra is a tragedy written by William Shakespeare that portrays the relationship between Mark Antony, a Roman general, and Cleopatra, the Queen of Egypt. The play explores their passionate love affair and its consequences, including betrayal, jealousy, and war. Ultimately, Antony and Cleopatra's love leads to their downfall as they both meet a tragic end. Through their story, Shakespeare highlights the destructive nature of obsession and desire, as well as the complexities of love and politics.